Welcome to Kanye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got a feta pasta, but we're gonna do it Kanye's Kitchen style, all right? So I know y'all seen that feta pasta all over TikTok, all over social media, everywhere. And I saw it, I was like, I gotta try it, because everyone's been hyping it up. Everyone's hyping it up, and I just wanted to try it for myself. Now, going into this, I honestly probably had like feta maybe one time, so I don't even know if I'm gonna like this. I definitely don't even like grape tomatoes, but maybe once we like cook it up and everything, maybe it'll taste good. I'm very hopeful for this meal. So let's go through some of the ingredients we got here. I got a pound of shrimp. I got some rotini pasta, because that's the kind we're gonna make today. You can use any pasta, like I said before, linguine, fettuccine, rotini. We got some sweet grape tomatoes. Now, the feta. This was probably the hardest thing to find. I don't know, maybe it's still because of the whole hype behind it, everyone's making it. But only place I could find a block of feta cheese was at Whole Foods, and this is about 16 ounces. So we're probably only gonna use about half of that. I'm not using this big old cub, like no, definitely not. So I'm gonna cut that one in half, and we're gonna use that as perfectly fine. We got some olive oil, some salt, some seasonings, and some parsley, various seasonings that have never steered me wrong. Because like I said, we're gonna make this Kanye Kitchen style, all right? So I'm gonna try something different. Even though I even tried the original one, I'm gonna try something different. That's just how I do it, okay? I got some parmesan, and I got a little bit surprised. I ain't put that on here yet, but I got another surprise, over to the side. Y'all gonna find out at the end, all right? So, I'm hungry, so let's get this meal going, and let's see if it lives up to the hype. All right, so we got a block of feta. So time to add the rest of the ingredients. We got the grape tomatoes. Have this on the side, right? Oof, man. I like tomatoes. I don't like grape. I guess eating these by themselves, that's when they don't taste as good. Get that spread out in there. All right, all nice and spread out. All right, get some olive oil. Spray that on there, pour that, ooh. Just a little, yep, there you go. Just the usual ingredients here. Some oregano. Some salt. And some black pepper. All right, time to make it my style a little bit. Add some onion powder, some garlic powder. Ooh, let me not forget some cloves of garlic. Oh yeah, get that in there. We can add a little bit of cayenne. Just a little bit. And oh, my favorite, paprika. You can never go wrong with some paprika. Honestly, like, I just believe you can't go wrong with paprika. Add my favorite all-purpose seasoning. This is gonna be like a Cajun-esque, feta pasta. Just a little bit of garlic salt. All right. So I think that's everything we need there. I'm gonna add just a little bit more olive oil. This is probably very fatty, very bad for you, but I'm gonna do it anyway. All right. Now that looks ready to throw in the oven. All right, so let's get this cooking. All right, so while that pasta or the feta and tomatoes is cooking in the oven, we gonna season the shrimp. So I'm gonna go to my go-to, paprika. I'm telling you, you season your shrimp like this, you can't go wrong. You cannot, I promise you, you cannot go wrong. Some cayenne. You can even use some Tony Chachere's, that works too, some Creole season. Get some garlic powder in there. A little bit of onion powder. Some black pepper. a little bit of that kosher. And my favorite all-purpose seasoning. Get that nice and coated. Alrighty. We're just gonna mix that up. Ooh, it's smelling good already. I'm telling you, these are a staple pack of seasonings that you should have. All right, so we're gonna set this aside. I'm gonna wait till the feta and tomatoes are almost done before I start cooking these, because these will be cooked very quickly. All right, so let this sit, let it marinate, and let's wait for that feta to be finished. All right, so the feta is still in the oven, so we're gonna get this pasta boiling. We got the water up at a boil. Add a little bit of olive oil in there. And some salt. All right, we're gonna mix that up. All right, so the feta's out the oven. I cooked it on 400 degrees for about 20-25 minutes, depending on how done you want yours looking. So now it's time to mix it all up. Ooh, that's what I'm looking for. That's the consistency we're looking for. Okay. Let's mix it all up. Pasta's almost done, about to get started on the shrimp real soon. But it's looking good. Look at that. Okay. I'm liking it so far. All right, so let's get the shrimp and pasta ready. All right, let's check on that pasta. Still got a little bit of time to go. Let's go ahead and get that shrimp cooking, all right? All right. I got about 3 tablespoons of butter. 3 tablespoons, teaspoons. Like the 3 little rectangles when you see the stick of butter, you know, you see 3 rectangles. About 3 rectangles. So I'm confidently gonna say 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of butter in here. So we're gonna let that cook. All right, so the pasta's all done. So we're gonna get that drained. Shrimp's all done too, as you can see. Look at that, it's all nice and all. Look at that, ooh, look at that. Okay, so we're gonna put that on the plate. And we almost at the grand finale, the mixing. So remember, you wanna save some pasta water, just a little bit to pour back into the feta mix. We need some of that starchy water to help with the mix as well. So save just a spoonful, like a ladle full, and you should be good with that, all right? All righty. So as you can see, add a little bit of that pasta water in here. Now time to add the pasta. Or should I add the shrimp? Let's go shrimp. Let's get that added in here. Ooh. I want some of them juices in here as well. Okay. Now, let's get the pasta in here. Whew. It's looking good. It's definitely looking good. But does it taste good though? That's the question. So So we're gonna get this all mixed in. Then we're gonna get it ready for the grand finale, because you know we gotta do plating. Plating is key. So I'm gonna get this all mixed in together first before we worry about that. Let me go ahead and add some parsley to this. I want this to look good just on its own. Hey, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. See, my dog just whining in the back. Whining, always whining. Come on. Time to get to plating. Looks like we got the finished product here. Look at that. It came out real nice. Look at that. Okay, see the garnishing? You gotta have parsley for garnishing. I'm telling you, it looked good. All right, so time for the taste test. I'm nervous. Let's try it out. Well, it's actually not that bad. I actually like it. There's a tanginess. People told me, you know, feta has like a little tanginess to it. I'm tasting it. But I'm not done yet. We about to experiment together, all right? So first, we're gonna try it out with a little bit of Parmesan on top. I ain't trying to get that big clump in there. See how that little grated Parmesan. That's the first one. That's the first experiment we're gonna do. Hold up. Try that out, see how that tastes. Okay. Okay, improvement. Now, lo and behold, it was hot. Lo and behold, the secret sauce, or secret oil, I should say. This is that white truffle oil, okay? I've been dying to try this out on some pasta. So this is the secret I was talking about that I couldn't show y'all before. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna drizzle just a little bit. Just a little bit, ooh. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Let's see what it do. See what it do. Oh my goodness. See? Oh my God. Yo, truffle oil. I don't know what it is, but truffle oil tastes good on just about anything. Pizzas, supposedly it tastes good on eggs. I ain't tried it. But pizzas, fries, pasta. Okay, this is the official one right now. We got the feta pasta with some Parmesan cheese and some truffle oil, all right? I can honestly say it lives up to the hype. Well, the Cayenne's Kitchen version, that is. Lives up to the hype. It's simple, easy to make. So, I'm gonna go finish this on that note. If you like this video, I'm telling you, you should definitely try this, my style. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode. Peace.